predicts that nearly all the ice could be gone from the Arctic Ocean by the end of summer 2012. Arctic ice in September 2007 was 23% below previous record low from NASA satellite data and 50% below 1950 levels from ship data. Other records surpassed. Greenland's surface ice loss is now 400% greater than 15 years ago. Surface temperatures in the Arctic are the highest in 77 years of record keeping. There is hope. According to James Hansen, top climate scientist at NASA, we have passed tipping points. We have not passed a point of no return. We can still roll things back, but it is going to require a quick turn in direction.
We have to save this planet so that we'll be able to stay first. Because if the ice all melt, if the pole all melt out, and then if the sea is warm, then the gas will be released from the ocean, and we'll all be poisoned by the gas from the ocean. It's a lot of gas, enough to kill everyone. If you see the Singapore lecture, I already warned that we have to change the way we live, otherwise it's too late. It's 10 or 15 years ago. Before that, I always talk about how we deforest our planet, Meat eating and all that is contribute to a lot of damage to our planet, Scientists say many things. They're listening now, but